Alright, this one's a little crazy. You have... yeah, I just growled. Pressure equals force over area. The water stays the same. They're taking water of a small beaker and putting it in a big beaker. I think I need to go to bed. Anyway, the force is going to stay the same. The area is going to twice the radius. And since area is pi r squared, you can kind of do a little thinking and say, well, if it was pi 1 squared, I'd get pi, right? So if I double the radius from 1 to 2, it's going to be pi 2 squared. That squared should have been out here. Leave me alone. So when the area goes up, right, it's going to go up by a factor of 4. Why? Because this is, now it's pi times 4 instead of pi times 1. So, the area increases by a factor of 4. So they told us that this thing had a 0.4 atmosphere. That's a pressure, a gauge pressure. We don't have to mess around with absolute gauge. It's just going to be a factor thing. And I'm going to put a 4 down low because I just showed you that. What's 0.4 divided by 4? It's 0.1 atmospheres. Less pressure. If you've ever worn high heels, and who hasn't, you know that that little area in the back of the heel is so small the pressure goes up. You put on a wider heel and that pressure goes down. Hope that makes sense. Bye-bye.